Hey everybody, it's Michael Fennell. Welcome to another episode of Michael's Minute. We're here in Red Bay, Alabama at our van plant production facility, and I have Mr. Garrett Kelly with us today. Garrett is a product technical specialist. Thank you for being on the show, Garrett.
Yep, I'm glad to be here.
We are going to be discussing over the next 3 videos our GH1, and we are going to show you guys some tips, some maintenance tips, and also some setup tips. So stay tuned and we'll show you more. Okay everybody, we're outside the GH1 right now, and Garrett's going to show you how to access the shower cutoffs, the water line cutoffs, and in case you ever had a leak or needed to service them in any way.
To access your shower water line cutoffs, they're located here behind your main control panel. You remove 10 screws around the outside edge of the control panel. Control panel lay down here. You'll see the 2 valves in line with your 2 shower water lines. You turn them clockwise to turn the water off to your shower supply.
And as always, guys, we thank you for being on our show with us today. And we also ask that you leave us any feedback in our comment sections below. Until next time, happy trails.